Yo, what's up guys, my name is akshaydilip aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the Phe Snare.
Beatbox.
The Phe Snare is one of the most widely used invert snare in beatboxing after the invert K snare, and it is used in a lot of technical patterns and combos. This sound can be learned easily in two simple steps. First, you need to make a pop sound with your lips like. To get this sound, create a pressure in your lips by sucking in air and closing your mouth and slowly opening your mouth and releasing the pressure to get the pop sound like. And this sound is very similar to that of a kissing sound like, but instead of keeping your lips outward and doing the sound like, you keep it inward and do the sound like. And after you get the sound, the second step would be to continue sucking in air like an inward drag after you complete the pop sound. So it would sound something like. Or to make it more simple, tell the word Phe inward along with the pop sound to get the Phe Snare like. And after you guys get this sound, a simple practice pattern would be. And another practice pattern would be. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learned this sound or helped you to get started with the sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.